Welcome! Today we'll be learning how to navigate executive and director compensation module with CompanyIQ, brought to you by MyLogic. Before we start, let me show you our screen navigation tabs feature. It is the horizontal bar on top of the page. The highlighted tab indicates which one of the three screens you are on. Entering the executive and director compensation module will take you directly to the search screen. The search screen is divided into two sections, General Search and Refined General Search. Start by selecting a date range and adding companies to your search criteria. Smart Peers is also available in this module. For a tutorial on using the Smart Peers feature, please visit the video. You can also filter by index, exchange, or SASB sector. And you can select the format that you'd like to see the data. Reports and data sets, and visual analytics. The visual analytics show the data in form of graphs, and you can view by company, index, exchange, or sector. More information about this feature, please visit the visual analytics video. Back to the search screen, you can use specific filters from our refined general search section. These include auditor, financial metrics, and more. It's not necessary to input any search criteria to access the reports. Clicking on Go will take you direct to the report list. Once you have clicked on Go, you'll be navigated to the report list screen that looks like the one shown here. On the top left of the screen, you can view the report catalog and the number of reports you can explore under this module. You'll find the reports and datasets grouped by trending topics, such as NEO compensation, CEO compensation, among others. Use the search box to find the reports that contain the data points or information related to the words you type in it. Next to the search box, you'll find the Expand All, where you'll be able to expand all the reports catalog to verify the information in each report. Information on the data points covering each report is available by clicking on the eye icon. You can also edit your search by clicking on the Edit Search button located right next to the Expand All. Select a report to view by clicking on its title. This will then take you to the report screen. The report screen displays the information in the table matter in two different views, data and statistics. You can change the data you'd like to view by clicking on the SASB sector or exchange. To do this, use the drop-down menu at the top left of the page. On the Data View tab, you'll be able to see the underlying information of each data point. Source links are also provided in this view. The Statistics tab will show you the summary of the data. Switch between the different views by clicking on the appropriate tabs. You can sort the data by ascending or descending order, or filter the rows by contain, not contain, equal, among other options. Further information about the data points is also available by clicking on the eye icon at the bottom of the screen. You can also change the data year to check the data for different years. The Select Report Data Point to View drop-down menu allows you to add or remove any data point to or from your report. The Edit Search button will return you to the search screen to modify your selection of companies. Finally, the information in this module is available for exporting by clicking on the orange Export button at the top right of the screen. Thank you for watching another of MyLogic's tutorial. To view more, please select one of the following videos.